Hello and welcome back to Style with Nina. Thank you all for your support. I just love you guys for it. Let me just jump right into it. On today's video, I will be unboxing something I got from, So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I was taping another video and this box came in, so let's go ahead and do it. Can y'all see it? Can y'all believe? Yes. Okay, Macy's, what the hell? Okay, listen, this is about the most jankiest unboxing ever. Okay. I mean, everything that came out. Like, okay. We shall see. Okay, that's that. So these shoes I have been wanting since I seen them. And I don't know, you guys, Coach was my first designer love. Coach is what got me into the love of designer. I got my first Coach handbag when I was 10 maybe. And my godmother, because you know back then Coach was everything. Coach and Louis Vuitton, you was doing the thing. So anyway, I love Coach. Coach kind of went left for a minute, but they coming back to the right. So listen, I just thought these were amazing, and I'll do a try on for you guys if they fit, and do a side comparison. But look, I just thought these was the cutest things ever in life. Can y'all see them? Let me get close. I love them. So these are called the Coach Holly Signature Loafers. And I got them in the color saddle and black. And I love them. Now, I feel some kind of way about Macy's. I initially was going to order them on Coach website. So let me tell you just a little bit of shopping. I'm just going to give you some shopping pointers. What I've noticed when Coach has a sale, I noticed that Macy's, the pricing is just as good, if not better. So if you own Coach and Coach has ran out of something, the only thing about Macy's is that Macy's doesn't carry everything Coach has. So if you're looking for some particular item, it may not be at Macy's. Macy's and Bloomingdale's are the same company, but Bloomingdale's tends to, they'll have the same item, but on Bloomingdale's, it'll be a little higher. But then Bloomingdale's be having the bomb sale. Sometimes you can find stuff cheaper than the Gucci outlet. So, you know, you just got to kind of play your, you know, I am like, you know, a shopping athlete. Shopping is my sport. So I know how to go here and there. I know how to find a deal. So anyway, these were on sale. They were, what was the original price? I want to say I got them for, let's see if I can do this quick. Okay, let's see, y'all. Okay. So they were originally $275. And y'all know I spends money, but I'm doing something new in 2020. You heard me. Now these unboxing videos that y'all get, the flood of unboxing videos that you about to see is gonna have you think otherwise, but we turning over a new leaf in 2020. So anyway, these are regularly $275. And just to show you guys, right now, Dillard's has them for the regular price. The Coach store has them for $137.50. Bloomingdale's has them for $192.50. Macy's was even cheaper than Coach. Now, not by much, but they're $137.43, which is what I paid. $137.43 plus my Ebates. You heard me. So I think when I bought these, I got 6% back in Ebates, or it's Rakuten or Rakuten now, but you know, I got cash back. So anyway, let me show you the shoe again, because I am rambling. Let me see how long this been. Yeah, I am just rambling. Okay. So my first impression of the shoe is that they look like slippers. They look like house shoes. They do. They house shoes that you can wear outside, which is the same as the oh my God, the Gucci First Lines that I want so bad. So I'm hoping that these I don't want to say they're going to replace them because the back is not out, but yeah, I'm rambling, y'all. Forgive me. My husband has been out of town and I am straight delirious. I'm at a point where I can't sleep when my husband is gone, and that is terrible. Wham, but for real, I can't. So I guess I'm gonna have to be traveling with him, which is what I did not want to do. But I'm too old to be sleep deprived, and he's been gone 5 days, and I have probably had I'm gonna round up and say 16 hours of sleep. So I'm straight delirious. But anywho, let's see if they can fit. And I'll do an official show you them. I'm gonna stop the camera. Okay. I don't know how, I don't know, y'all. Okay, let me turn the camera over so I can show you guys what they look like on. Okay, you guys, I am back, and these are what, ooh, is that a stain on my floor? Wait a minute, I think that is makeup on my floor. Y'all see that? I used to have my vanity here, and that looks like makeup, dog it. But anyway, just ignore that. But these are the shoes on. And yes, my feet are a little ashy, and I did not want to put lotion on, because if I decide to return them, I don't want to mess them up. So I am kind of torn, I'm gonna be honest with you, on the shoe. Yeah, they're real sheep fur, so you know the quality is there. I mean, I feel like I can rock them with the right outfit, but they just a little wide. They're a little wide, in my opinion. Let me scooch down. So that's how they look. I'm feeling some kind of way about this spot on my cream. But anyway, let's just put my foot there and act like so yeah, I mean, you can rock them, but they straight up look like house shoes. Like, for real, for real. Like, straight up house shoes. They're a little big in the back, but I find with loafers, for whatever reason, they all do this in the back. Yeah, that's just, I don't know. And I got fat feet, y'all see. I mean, fat cankles. So, listen, I don't know. I guess I got fat cankles, but that's small. I don't know. But, so this is how they look on. So yeah, I don't have nothing on special, y'all. I'm just about to record some videos. This is my makeup vanity. It's looking a hot mess because I just did my makeup to shoot the video and I didn't clean the vanity off yet. So this is real life videos. You see that? Y'all see my stain on the floor I just noticed that I'm feeling some kind of way about. Y'all see the recording light. Yeah, this is real life. Okay, so yeah, give me your thoughts on these shoes. Should I return them or no? Like I said, they were originally $275 and I got them for $137.43. Is that half off? Y'all know I'm delirious, so I can't do the math. What is that? I keep trying to hide this. Let's just do that. No. I feel like I can rock them, like with the right outfit. This is way too casual, but you kind of want to be casual, but dressed up. Y'all only supposed to see me from the, you know, the neck down. So, you know, listen, it bees like that. Y'all wanted a video right. Here you go. So what do you think? I kind of feel like, I don't know. It's like I weirdly like them. And loafers, you know, you can wear them with socks, but you really, you know, they're really a shoe that you're not supposed to wear with socks. So I don't know if I need an 8.5, but I feel like the way the toe box is. So I think I'm gonna try an 8.5. We're gonna see. Even if they even have them in an 8.5, but oh, this stain is bothering me, y'all. Anyway, okay. And let me know in the comments what you think about these shoes. Y'all know I like weird stuff. I just think Coach is doing the thing, y'all. Coach is doing the thing. I got a couple of other Coach things. In hindsight, I probably should have just did a Coach unboxing with all my Coach items because I've been kind of picking up a couple of other things. But this came in when I was shooting other videos, so I said, boop, let's make this a video. Anyway, so hey, y'all, I'm on Macy's website, and I'm seeing if they have the 8.5, but they only come in full sizes. So, but y'all, look at this color. Ooh, my husband gonna kill me, y'all. He gonna kill me. So they were 50% off. I'm wondering if I'll like this color. So let me show you all the colors. So this is the color that I get. And I would say that Macy's lighting, this is the shoe, pretty true to color, at least on my screen. And then so this is another color, the light pink. I don't know. I kind of feel like, would I like these better? I don't know. I think I'm going to order them, y'all. Shh, don't tell my husband. Shh, don't say nothing. Don't tell him. I think I'm going to order these. He'll just know when he get the bill. I think I'm going to order these and see if I like these in person. Because these is looking straight up like house shoes. So yeah, let me go ahead and place this order. Boom. Boom. Did it go in the cart? Boom. Add to bag. Yeah. I'm trying to make sure I ain't showing y'all no. Y'all see you see that? Activate the 6%? Sure am. Boom. So hey guys, I thought I would go ahead and just give you a quick tip when it comes to shoes. And here it goes. The way your shoes come is how you should store them. And what do I mean when I say that? So if they come with, you know, a makeshift shoe tree, which is what this is, you either need to remove that and purchase shoe trees for each shoe, or you need to store them exactly the way they came. So with or without the box, that's your choice. Some people keep the box, some people don't. But definitely you need to make sure that you store them like this so that they maintain their shape. Stores do this for a reason. So yeah, that's my tip. Bye.